So hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial on TechHiveHQ. So this one is going to be an Android Studio tutorial. So we are going to be showing you how you can be able to find Device Explorer and the data for the app that you're using if you're using a mobile phone. So as you can see here, this is my mobile phone. This is a dummy phone that I'll be using to connect. As you can see, this is how it looks. So just open the app. So what you usually do to view, initially it was here, but things have been moved around. So you come here to view, then tool, then you should see Device Explorer. So if you want to find your application, you just come to data, the name of your app, login application. So it's com example login application. So data Android ABCDE login application, and then it is everything, the logs if you want, the cache, code cache, databases. See, this is what you'll need mostly. For example, this to browse the database, and then the file. So that's how you do it. And the process is also the same for other emulators that are on the machine. So if this tutorial helped you, like, comment and share so that people can reach it, and remember to subscribe. See ya.